Take a ride in the 2018 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.